In this video, I'll guide you through how to reconcile a credit card in Xero. We'll move step by step through the process so you can feel confident that your credit card activity in Xero matches your actual statement. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm everything is correctly reconciled. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to Xero.com. Log into your Xero account using your usual details. It's a good idea to have your latest credit card statement handy, either on your screen, in another tab, or as a paper copy, so you can easily compare what you see in Xero with what's on the statement. Once you're logged in, look for the main navigation and click on Home. The Home dashboard is where you get an overview of your bank accounts, including your credit card or any business bank accounts you've set up. This central view is helpful because you can quickly see which accounts have items that still need to be reconciled. On the Home dashboard, find your business bank account that represents the credit card you want to reconcile. It might be labeled as a credit card or as a specific card name, depending on how it was set up. Under that account, you should see an option that says Reconcile Items. Go ahead and click Reconcile Items. This takes you into the reconciliation screen for that credit card account. Now you'll see the credit card statement lines that Xero has imported, usually from your bank feed or a statement upload. Take a moment to review these statement lines. Each line represents a transaction that has actually occurred on your credit card, such as purchases, payments, or fees. Check the dates, descriptions, and amounts. You're basically confirming that what's displayed here looks consistent with your real credit card statement. Next, you'll match these statement lines with your transactions in Xero. For each statement line, look at the suggested match that Xero presents, if there is one. Xero often tries to automatically find the right bill, invoice, or spend money transaction for you. When the amount, date, and description line up, you can be confident that it's a correct match. If Xero doesn't suggest a match, or the suggestion isn't right, you can search for the correct transaction in Xero or create a new one directly from the reconciliation screen. Make sure the total amount and date are accurate, and allocate the transaction to the correct account code, such as office expenses, travel, or subscriptions, so your reports stay accurate. Work your way down the list, carefully matching each statement line to the appropriate transaction in Xero. Take your time here. The goal is that every line on your credit card statement has a corresponding and correct entry in Xero. Once you've matched and reviewed all the items you're working on and you're satisfied that everything lines up with your statement, click OK to confirm the reconciliation. This tells Xero that these statement lines have been successfully reconciled to your accounting records. That's all there is to it. You've now reconciled your credit card in Xero, helping keep your records clean, accurate, and up to date.